What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial video, and this one's going to be on the live account broker I use. So first of all, I want to kind of talk about what is the advantage of opening up a live account with a forex prop firm over a futures prop firm. So for those of you guys that don't know, you have a little bit more leverage with a forex prop firm. One of those things and one of the main factors where I decided to go with a forex live account versus a futures one is because on futures you need at least 20 grand in your account in order to open one mini contract. That means that unless you have 20 grand, you're going to be trading with some micros and you're not going to be able to actually place any higher risk positions and grow your account. When it comes to like trading, being a day trader, you try to find high probability entries where you're not risking too much, but you can actually put in a decent amount of risk on your position, like a big lot size. And so on forex prop firms like this broker, for example, you are able to have 1 to 1,000 leverage. So you can even place, like with $1,000 in your account, you can place up to one lot. This broker, you are given 1 to 1,000 leverage, and even with $1,000 in your account, you're already able to place one lot, which is the equivalent of one mini on futures, which is an insane difference and why I started leaning towards a forex broker. So without further ado, let me hop into the broker that I use. It will be linked in the description, and if you guys do sign up with my link directly, which is in the description, then you will also be given a 100% deposit bonus, which means whatever you deposit, whether it be $100, $1,000, you get matched with an additional $1,000 or $100, so you can place even more risk than you would initially be able to. Now let's get right into it. How do you deposit funds and what are the deposit methods? First of all, so I got $53 in this wallet right now. You can deposit with crypto and debit card. When it comes to crypto, I actually prefer crypto. I've only ever done crypto, and that's going to be through Coinbase, which is an app that I use on my phone. Coinbase is very clean and you connect it to your bank account. So for example, one of the main things that I like about Gates is that you can withdraw and deposit in USDC, which completely avoids all of the crypto spreads and like when you're transferring into Bitcoin or from Bitcoin back into USD. All those fees are gone when you're trading USDC. It's pretty much cash going into the broker and cash coming out of the broker, which you can withdraw directly into your bank account, completely avoiding all the crypto fees, which is actually crazy. So if you guys are interested, then definitely do that. But if you guys aren't sure how to use crypto, it's a little complicated. Debit and credit card are options for you to be able to deposit into your account. Once you deposit either through crypto or through debit card, so let's see, crypto for example, you decide how much you are depositing, let's say $500, and currency, let's do USDC through the Ethereum network. ERC20 means Ethereum network. You have to deposit at least $25 and continue. Then you'll be given the opportunity to, like, they'll put an address on the screen. You guys will see it right now. So there you go. You copy this address, you put it onto your Coinbase, and you click transfer funds, you enter this address and you send $500 into this address, and then it will process within a few minutes and you'll be able to put it into your trading account. So now open a live account. This is where you start. Now you will have the option to select either MetaTrader 5 or TradeLocker. MetaTrader 5 is no longer available for USA clients, but honestly I've liked TradeLocker much more than MetaTrader 5. But if you guys aren't from the USA, you can still trade with this broker. And even when you are from USA, if you prefer MetaTrader 5, here's the benefit of still trading with this broker, even though the only platform is TradeLocker as a USA client. They give you 1 to 1,000 leverage even as a USA client. On most other forex brokers, you're only given 1 to 50 leverage. That is the difference. And this is a regulated broker as well, so your funds are safe, guys. So TradeLocker, and then you will be given the option to open any one of these accounts. The one that I personally use is the 1 to 1,000, which requires a 500 minimum deposit. And the reason why is because it gives you the most amount of leverage, and then you also have raw ECN. So these two accounts are going to be the best ones because of the spreads. Spreads are very important. It's like as soon as you're entering the position, it places you exactly where you enter. Most brokers have a pretty bad spread, so whenever you enter, it's going to slightly place you into the negatives. But if you guys are swing trading, that's no issue for you. Then there's going to be the standard STP account, which still has very good leverage and no commissions. That's the benefit of this account. It just doesn't have the best spreads, but no commissions is still really good to start off with. And then there's obviously the 100% deposit bonus account, which, like I said, if you sign up with my link directly in bio, you will get access to this 100% deposit bonus account, which whatever you deposit, they'll match it. You can't withdraw the deposit bonus, but you can use it to place bigger lot size positions. Now, that is how you open an account. You select a account type, boom, currency, USD, and you will be given that account, which will pop up. Here are the login information for this account, and then the password is sent to the email. So that's where you find the information. You log into your account on TradeLocker, and that's where you can actually trade with your account. I've already made a TradeLocker tutorial, so if you guys are wondering how to use the platform, if you're unfamiliar with it, or you want to see how it looks, it's a very beautiful platform. It involves TradingView like as the main kind of interface. So it's very clean, and that's pretty much it. You log in, you deposit your funds, you do transfer funds. Right here, transfer funds, and you select the wallet and you deposit it into one of your trading accounts. Now, when you're withdrawing your funds, same thing. You select the wallet and you click crypto. Once you select withdrawal to crypto, you have, this is one of the coolest features as well that I've seen on a broker, because typically on the other broker that I used to trade on, you had to manually enter the address, and whenever it's crypto, it's kind of a hassle. So you can see all these addresses are different Bitcoin addresses. You can delete all of them, by the way, if you do upload details. So the only one that I really need is the one on the, right here, the 0x, and you guys are gonna easily remember your crypto addresses, and you won't have a lot like me. Sometimes I just send them into like other wallets that I like to keep my crypto inside of, so that's why I have a bunch of different Bitcoin addresses. But you'll see here that I have both right here, my USDC address, which you will remember because it starts with 0x instead of whatever the other ones were. So I select this is how you add a address, by the way. You select crypto, you do wallet address, and you paste in this right here, which is where you'll get it from Coinbase, and it's always going to stay the same on Coinbase. You paste that in, you select the currency, which that is USDC ERC20, and then you go back over here, withdraw funds, select $53, crypto, select your address, which is saved, coolest feature ever, continue, $53. There you go. They have a small little fee, and boom, it is pending to withdraw. So there is the withdrawal, and it usually gets approved within a few minutes. Like genuinely, every single payout that I've ever taken from, you can see 754 records of that's including transfers out of the account, and then withdrawals. Pretty much, they have a 2-hour withdrawal guarantee, so your withdrawal will get approved very soon, and you'll receive the funds within minutes. Literally, as soon as the system approves your payout, then you'll receive it within minutes. Every single client that I've put on Gates has absolutely loved the withdrawals. There's a lot more to experiment in the platform, a lot more to learn, like the loyalty point program. When you guys deposit, you get points, and you can use that to claim stuff. This is genuinely the best broker that I've seen by far, and it's already #1 on TradeLocker. So if you guys haven't already, click that link in the description and make your account today. Start trading live. I feel like the current market conditions are actually the best for having a live account. So that's everything that I wanted to show you guys about opening a live account, depositing, and then withdrawing your funds. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.